there is a place tucked away deep in the Balkan Mountains where history never stopped, where heritage still blossoms, and where nature paints its masterpiece, where time stands still, preserving the magic of a city untouched by the hands of modernity. And when the night falls, the nature falls asleep, while the city comes to life. I guess there's just something special to those warm summer nights. And despite everything we've been through, we stick together. We stay tall and proud. Proud of our ancestors and cultural heritage. Proud of the fact that we retaliated and haven't disappeared. Proud of what nature has blessed us with. Proud that we continue to grow. A lot could be said about Prokuplje, but Prokuplje speaks for itself. No matter where you're headed, Prokuplje stays with you.